Simplicity is the thing of Archana. Like he has to have that bindi on her hair. I always knew that Sushant is not there, and I've worked with Hiten also after that. मैंने नंदिया को day one पे बोला था, don't worry, I just want my scenes to come out nice. For the day one, for the first episode, they'll see कि Sushant. The moment they'll see our chemistry, they'll forget it. तो अर्चना मानव तभी निकल कर आ सकते थे जब दोनों सही. मैं अकेली अर्चना कितना निकालूं? I genuinely do my job. I am not a planner. I don't know आगे क्या होने वाला है, पीछे क्या होने वाला है. सिर्फ मानव है जो रिप्लेस हुआ है. And मानव is a character which is built by us.
कहा जाता है जिंदगी में कुछ भी नामुमकिन नहीं है. मुश्किल जरूर हो सकता है लेकिन नामुमकिन कुछ नहीं होता. और इस बात को सच साबित किया है पवित्र रिश्ता 2.0 की एंटायर टीम ने, जिन्होंने किया रिक्रिएट फिर एक बार मानव और अर्चना की एक खूबसूरत जोड़ी और खूबसूरत केमिस्ट्री को. बहुत जल्द नजर आएंगी अंकिता लोखंडे अलॉन्गसाइड विद शहीद शेख, जो कि निभा रहे हैं अब मानव का किरदार. आज मेरे साथ जुड़ने वाली है अंकिता लोखंडे, जो करेंगी बात अर्चना के इस किरदार के बारे में, अपनी स्ट्रगल्स के बारे में, अपने इस सफर के बारे में, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के साथ अपने पलों के बारे में, एंड अ लॉट मोर इनसाइट्स अबाउट हर जर्नी फ्रॉम पवित्र रिश्ता एंड पवित्र रिश्ता 2.0. तो आइए चलिए मेरे यानी विशाखा के साथ बुलाते हैं अंकिता को और जानते हैं what all she wants to share today with us in this candid chat session. Well, I would say, do I call you Archana or do I call you Ankita? Whatsoever be it, आपको फैंस ने बहुत प्यार दिया है and I would say congratulations. पवित्र रिश्ता 2.0 काफी promising sound भी करता है, दिखता भी है और expectations are too high. What would you want to start with, Ankita?
I just want to say everyone that thank you. I think we thought that people would like it, people would love it, but the way people are expressing their feelings towards Pavitra Rishta is amazing, and I'm really grateful for it, and I feel blessed. Little unbelievable, but it's happening, so I want to believe that.
But then how different is Archana, the first Archana, to this new Archana, the revamped Archana that we're gonna see? Because look-wise, she looks almost similar, almost.
I don't know about the look. See, looks can't be different. I mean, we really thought when we were trying to sketch Archana, like portrait, like what kind of a girl she should be. She should have short hairs, or we were discussing, and I was like, no, she can't be anything but this. She has to look simple. The simplicity is the thing of Archana. Like she has to have that bindi on her hair. She has to, because that's her. You can't change the character. People will not like it fully. Archana has to be simple. She has to be that way. But if I talk about the character, and I think she's become more confident about herself. She's working this time. She's in a cafe shop. She's working, and she's not somebody who's just doing things forcefully. Like wo nahi karna chahti. She says what she feels sometimes. And gradually you see the difference between the once she understands that she really loves Manav. She start talking about it. She start telling people that I love this man, and that's a beautiful journey of Archana and Manav.
Well, I would say that unfortunately, for everyone, I would say आपके लिए भी Archana Manav has always been Ankita and Sushant for everyone out there. Unfortunately, unforgettable instances we don't have Sushant with us. So when you went back on the sets, did you have that nostalgic feeling of some memories from the past of the
set was different? The team was different. I mean, see, as an actor, you prepare yourself before that, right? I prepared myself for that character. I said yes for that character, and you have to. When you're going to act, you start working towards that. I always knew that Sushant is not there, and I've worked with Hiten also after that. But yes, Sushant is not here with us, so it gives more of that emotional thing where he's not here. But while working on the sets, I did not feel or anything about Sushant, but whenever I hear this song, Aasmaan Mein Jab Tak Sitare Rahenge, it makes me, I don't know what, but yeah, because that was my connection with Sushant.
Well, in that regards, I would love to know, Ankita, that you have been one of those actors who is very strong in our opinion. You have taken a stand and you have stood by that stand. Is that kind of actor. I've always seen you in that regards. When you were re-offered, and when you got the option of Pavitra Rishta 2.0, how was the feeling inside you? Were you emotional? Were you excited?
That was my decision. I have spoken to Ekta ma'am about it. That's my offer to Ekta ma'am. I offered.
Wow.
I said because she offered me something else. I was like, ma'am, I want to do Pavitra Rishta. That was me who wanted to do Pavitra Rishta. Because that's my show. That's my baby, and I wanted to somewhere. I used to always think that, that if given a chance, like if God asks me someday कि अगर आपके किसी हिस्से में आपको वापस जाना है तो कौन सा होगा लाइफ का फेज, so I always used to say मुझे वो 6 साल मेरी लाइफ के बहुत अच्छे रहे. I want to go back and see those again, and God gave me this opportunity and I'm living it. You know, I'm living it, like each and every moment I'm living as Archana, as Ankita. You know, I went on the sets and I told Ankita ma'am, हम जो कराना आप करा लो. I'm ready for all men. I'm not a girl जिसको vanity चाहिए, ये चाहिए, वहाँ candid कर, because I have worked like that on पवित्र की set पे. हम सिर्फ कार में बैठे थे, हम निकल जाते थे. कहीं भी रोड पे चढ़ रही हूँ, भाग रही हूँ, डेंगू में काम कर रही हूँ, मलेरिया में काम कर रही हूँ. I am a kind of actor. I'm like that. मैंने नंदिया को डे 1 पे बोला था, डोंट वरी, आई जस्ट वांट माय सीन्स टू कम आउट नाइस. ट्रेन में चढ़ना है, कभी चढ़ा दो, मैं चढ़, बिकॉज़ आई वर्क लाइक दैट. आई एम दैट काइंड ऑफ एक्टर. आई एम नॉट स्टार. आई फील आई एम अ कलाकार.
I agree to what you're saying, because I still remember when you had your promotions going on, you were non-stop giving interviews without a drop of water, but you were non-stop doing that thing. So I have seen that thing. But I would love to know here that, you know, Shahir filling in the shoes of Manav, quite a big expectations from the fans. You know, pressure hai unke kannon pe. You as the partner, the counterpart in the show, how have you been supporting him? Have you given him some pep talk?
I think on the day 1 I told him, don't worry at all. People might for the day 1, for the first episode, they'll see ki Sushant. But the moment they'll see our chemistry, they'll forget it, because they're not seeing here Sushant or Ankita or Shahir or Ankita. They'll see Archana Manav. And if we are able to deliver Archana Manav properly, then trust me, you don't have to worry. And he actually, I spoke to him yesterday and I told him, see, मैंने बोला था ना, I was like, you were so correct, because I know, see, we are not here as Sushant or Ankita or Shahir or Ankita. We are performing characters, we are portraying characters. If people could connect to that character, खत्म हो जाती है बात.
In that regards, I would love to know, when you met him for the first time, आपका first impression क्या था about Shahir?
I think I don't know क्या first impression था, लेकिन I just looked at him and I was like, अच्छा, okay. ऐसी क्या हुआ था कि ये ना सब rumors आ रहे थे ना कि कौन मानव बनेगा, कौन मानव बनेगा. So I was also not sure. But when I got to know Shahir is there, I prayed for this man. I said I want him as Manav. I don't know why. I had a very strong feeling that he should be Manav. He has that innocence. He has that, you know, genuineness in his eyes जो मानव के लिए चाहिए थी. तो अर्चना मानव तभी निकल कर आ सकते थे जब दोनों सही. मैं अकेली अर्चना कितना निकाली थी, मुझे मानव भी तो चाहिए था ना उतने ही तरीके से. And somewhere I was so connected to Shahir that he should be Manav. So when I met him first, I was just looking at him, was my decision right or wrong? Like I really wanted, so I was just joking, but I was just looking at him because I met him for the first time. That, you know, to look at somebody as Manav was a little, you know, थोड़ा वो था, but he was just smiling. He was just smiling. तो मुझे लगा था ठीक है. फिर उनकी रिहर्सल थी, उनका सब कुछ था, तो मैंने बोला मैं चलती हूँ. तो उसने कुछ फालतू से जोक मारा था और मुझे हंसी भी नहीं आई थी कुछ. फिर बोला भी बाद में, मैंने जोक मारा था, तुम हंसी भी नहीं, हंसी आई थी. तो वो हमारा कुछ था पहली बार जब हम मिले थे. और इसके बाद तो बस मिले, और फिर वो मैं आई एम वेरी टॉकेटिव, आई लव टू टॉक, और वो एकदम शांत सा है, कुछ अपना चुपचाप बैठा था, मैं बात करती है, and we became very good friends and it was very organic, yeah, very organic. Like,
but then ऐसा कोई था from the cast जिनको फिर से दोबारा मिलकर you were super happy and super elated?
I think I was there. वही एक चीज जो वापस आई थी शो में, मैं और आई दोनों हम रीकास्ट हुए थे, तो आई को देखकर ये अच्छा लग गया था. और मानव की आई वही बन सकती है, you know, मेरी सास वो बन सकती है एक्चुअली. मुझे लगता है अर्चना और उनकी जो केमिस्ट्री है ना, वो किसी की, you know, that feel ना पूरी एकदम दे देती है, उसी में जान डाल देती है. तो यार मजा आता है ऐसे करके.
But then I would love to know one thing, Archana, Ankita out here, that it's अक्सर देखा जाता है that, you know, actors TV से Bollywood switch हो जाते हैं, वापस आने में they have this one thing, अरे यार, you know, short projects लेते हैं, but you gave the option of Pavitra Rishta. You gave your 2000% back in Pavitra Rishta, and we can see that thing very clearly when you transformed back to Archana. So I would love to know, आप आगे, you know, do you plan on balancing if any Bollywood project is coming your way, both alongside with TV, or first you want to wrap up this?
With your honest, wherever you work with your honesty, you know, उसके आगे आपको सोचना नहीं पड़ता. You know, just be genuine to your work will any which you follow. It's like that. I feel that you have to be genuine to your work, what you do. I genuinely do my job. I am not a planner. I don't know आगे क्या होने वाला है, पीछे क्या होने वाला है, हो चुका है. I am living the present. I am liking it. I am loving it, and I am doing it. That's what I am. This is how I am. I don't know आगे क्या होगा. जो भी होगा, जो मिलेगा, मैं शिद्दत से करूँगी, and I'll give my best to it.
But I just know one thing, that my mom called me like, let's say twice, thrice to confirm that Pavitra is actually happening now, because she has watched like that
I'm
thing.
sure.
I'm like, yeah.
I'm
I'm
very
like, yes,
sure.
mom, it's happening. It's happening. She's like, so she
I'm
was very
sure.
happy for you people. She has seen and she was very happy. But then, you know, the last thing before I jump to the fun part is, fans and audience have supported you, loved you. Maybe they were upset for obviously Sushant. Every one of us was. But then, how do you take their feedback, be it a negative, positive, or anything for that matter? How do you as
I
Ankita look into it?
I really don't. I mean, I have nothing to say, bad or good about anybody. I know Sushant was a very intrigued part of it. He is. I mean, Sushant can't be replaced by anyone in my life or in Pavitra Rishta. ये हमने बनाई हुई चीज़ है. But Manav can be replaced. I'm a human. I have to work, right? And Pavitra has been my show more than anybody else. Has been my show. I know people can't see me with anybody else, but now they can't see because Sushant is not here. But I was living my life any which way from last 5 years now without Sushant.
Yes.
Somewhere I was all alone, right? So तब कहाँ था ये सब कुछ? I feel that. But yes, पवित्र एक सुशांत का बहुत और मेरा शो है और वो हमेशा रहेगा, जिसको कोई बदल नहीं सकता. इसीलिए किसी ने उसको रिप्लेस नहीं किया है. सिर्फ मानव है जो रिप्लेस हुआ. And Manav is a character which is built by us. We have worked, अर्चना, मानव, जो भी हमने बनाया है. तो सुशांत ने इतना सुंदर उस चीज को बनाया है, हम उसको और बस अच्छे से और करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. And trust me, I'm just trying to keep Sushant alive through something like this, जिससे लोग उसे बस याद करें. I just want people to always keep him in his thoughts. कि वो आज अगर मानव भी आता है तो सुशांत का नाम आ रहा है ना बार-बार.
Yes.
He's there. People talk about him. They have loved Sushant so much. That's why they're fighting with me. But there's no point of going against me because मैं क्या बोलूँ? मेरे अगेंस्ट जाके क्या होगा?
Any parting words fans के लिए कुछ आखिर में उनको कहना चाहेंगी अलविदा कुछ?
मैं उनसे सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूंगी सच्चे दिल से, not fans, to the people who has loved me and Manav, Archana and Manav, I think, and I'm very grateful for everything. आपका प्यार हम तक पहुंच रहा है और हमारी भी कोशिश यही रही कि हम इस तरीके का काम करके आपसे कनेक्ट हो सके. And thank you so much for loving all of us. इसी तरह प्यार बरसाते रहिए और हेल्दी रहिए, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, और पॉजिटिव रहिए अपने थॉट्स को लेकर. That's it. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much guys for watching this chat session with me, Vishakha Pandit, जहां आज मेरी मेहमान थी अंकिता लोखंडे, जिनको आप लोग देखने वाले हैं, rather देख रहे हैं अर्चना के किरदार में. Well, I really hope कि आप लोग अर्चना और मानव की इस जोड़ी को पवित्र रिश्ता 2.0 में उतना ही प्यार देंगे जितना आपने आइकॉनिक पेयर को दिया था. Well, until then, this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now. You do stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates about the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.